Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 3.5. Today we are going to look at a type of subtraction strategy. Let's take a look at this problem here. If you had 56 minus 24, take a moment, write that in your notebook or on your dry erase board, and come up with what you think that should be. All right. And now, what I'd like for you to talk about is what strategy, right? How did you tackle this problem? What did you do first, and then what did you do after that? All right, today what I would like to show you is a counting up strategy. And it doesn't mean that your method was, if you did something different, it doesn't mean that yours was wrong or that this is better or that yours is better. It's just another idea for subtracting numbers, right? Because when we're subtracting, we're really finding the difference. Okay, so if we start at uh, 24, right? And this is going to be using jumps, just like we did when we were doing time. Remember how we did those open number lines? These ones aren't open at the end because we have a number we want to get to. But when we want to know the difference between 54 and 56 and 24, we can start at 24 and do a jump of 10, and that gets us to 34. And then another jump gets us to 44, and another jump gets us to 54. And then if we did another jump, that would be 64. That would be too much. We want to get to 56. Why 56? Because it's the number right there that is at the beginning of our problem. So two more to get to 56. And then all we do to get our answer is add up the totals of our jumps, right? And you can see that right there. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 20. Or excuse me, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 plus 2 more is 32. So our answer here is 32. Now, if you got 32 in a different way, that's great too, right? This is just a way that we're going to learn today to just expose you to something different. All right, so watch me here. I'm going to use this counting up strategy, and I'm going to start at 39, and I'm going to make sure I get to 53. Okay, so 39, I'm going to go up 10. And now I am at 49. And now if I go up 10 more, I'm going to pass 53. So I'm going to think, okay, so 49, now I'm going to count up to 53. 50, 51, 52, 53. That was four more to get up to 53. So where do I get my answer from? We'll look on the top. 10 plus 4. So my answer here is 14. All right. What is something important that you saw me do as I was doing this problem today? Okay, there were lots of things to think about. And let's go through some of these with this problem together. All right. Look at this, right? Now we have 343 minus 158. So we need to find the difference. So we're going to start at 158. Okay. Now, can we make a jump of 100? We sure can, right? Because if we go up 100, now we are at, well, what are we at? If we just added another 100 there, we're at 258. Okay, can we go up another 100? We cannot. Okay, if we go up another 100, then we would be at 358, and that would be past our number. So let's do some tens here. So 10, I'm going to have to label these down here, would be 268. 10 more would be 278. 10 more. Now, could I do more than 10? Let's do that. Let's do more than 10 here. Let's do a jump of 20. So two more groups of 10. Now I'm at 298. Let's do another 20. 20. So now I am up to 318. All right, I'm going to let you tell me the next one. Let's go 20 more. 318. Now go 20 more. What's 318 and then 20 more? 338. All right, how much more do I need? I can't go up 10. So count up. Start at 338, right? And then as you go up, 339, 340. How far is it from 338 to 343? Those are 5 away. If you said 6, that means you counted 338. Don't count 338. Go 339, 340, 341, 342, 343. 5 more. Where do I get my answer from? Yeah, these numbers on the top. All right, so I have 100, 100, and let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 185. There's our answer, right? So when we just have the tens place, like we did here, right, it's a little more simple. When we're dealing with the hundreds, we might need to do a jump up 100 or maybe 200 or more, right? Okay, that is what we are working on today. All right, this is Math Journal, page number 73. Go ahead and open to that. All right, on Math Journal page 73, we're going to, now this says fill in the unit box. That would be if I was reading you a problem out loud, but I'm not, okay? So we're going to count up to solve problems 1 through 3. We're going to use our open number lines or number sentences, okay? So as you go here, right, you're going to draw your line. You're going to start at 37, and then you're going to keep going until you get up to 67. Same thing here and here. Now, it says for number 4, you can use any method. So if you want to use this method for number 4, that's fine. If you want to do something else that maybe that we've been working on in our groups, you can do that. But you're going to use the number line for these first 3 problems, just so you can practice this strategy. All right, third graders. Let's see. Did we do this yet? I don't think we did. We should have. Our objective here is to be able to use the counting up method to subtract numbers. Okay. And that goes with this standard about being able to add and subtract, right? Of course, subtract whole numbers within 1,000. That means anywhere from 1 to 999. All right, third graders. If you need any help with anything, be sure to let me know. And good luck.